welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to do a crab boil in the bag. So for this recipe you will need, I use the oven bags, the turkey ready oven bags, shrimps, which I have already shelled. You can shell, or you can leave the shell on, or you can take the shell off, your preference. I also have my potatoes, my sausage, and my corn on the side that I'm gonna put in there. Also have my wasting water everywhere. My crab legs. I also have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And reason I'm using unsalted butter is because I am using cayenne, if you can see, cayenne pepper season. I'm using chili powder. I'm also using Cajun seasoning. And I have OB seasoning. And I also have some famous Blove sauce. So with that being said, with those ingredients that I have with the Blove sauce and the seasoning, you don't want to use salted butter because it makes it really salty. So that's why I have the unsalted butter. So let's get started. We are going to start off with our oven bag. I'm super excited about this recipe. I never did this before, so this is not no copycat recipe. This is my recipe. So I have my bag here, and I have my unsalted butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my unsalted butter and I am going to just cut a little piece off, and I'm just going to take it and just rub just a little bit right here. Well, take a little bit of OB seasoning and I'm gonna sprinkle it right there. Take this one, a little bit of OB seasoning, sprinkle it, and take my butter and rub it in there like so, and throw it in the bag. And I'm just going to repeat. Now that I have seasoned all the top of the crab legs and spread a little butter on top, next I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm going to add my potatoes, corn, and sausage. This is a lot. My crab legs has busted my bag. but it's okay. So now I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna sprinkle Old Bay season on it. You know what? I think I'm going to make this into 2 bags. This is so much. So I have divided this seafood boil up into 2 bags because I had so much. So I'm just now gonna season it with Old Bay seasoning, both of them. And a little chili powder. A little Cajun seasoning. Well, I have to use this one, this Cajun seasoning. Okay. And a little cayenne pepper. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my 2 sticks of butter and put 1 in each bag. 1 in that one. And 1 in this one. Next, I'm going to take my famous Blove sauce, which I also have a video on the Blove sauce. You can go back and, you know, check out if you like. So I'm just gonna take a spatula and I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm gonna pour half in here and half in here. So next, I'm just going to take your bag and like move it around, get all the juices going, like so. Cover it and tie it. Do the same for this one. Now you want to place your oven on 475, which I should have had it preheated at 475 already. I'm gonna place my oven on 475, and no, I'm sorry, 425. Place your oven on 425 and allow your seafood boil bags to cook for about 40 minutes. Just place them in a baking pan, something thin, that it will hold, just in case, you know, the juices want to run out, don't run out in your stove. So just place it in a baking pan, place it in the oven. Once again, my oven is set for 425. I'm gonna place it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes now, so we're just gonna check on our bags. Don't be alarmed that they are swollen. They're supposed to do that. It's okay, they're gonna deflate. So now that they're out of the oven, I'm just gonna cut them and check them. Ooh, very hot, be careful. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Sausage, potatoes, our crab legs, our corn. If I can get it up. Our corn, very hot. So there we have it. Our crab boil in the bag. And no, our crab legs is not burnt. That's just the Blove sauce seasoning that I poured on top of it. As you can see. See, our potatoes are nice and soft. Our potatoes, our corn, our sausage, and our shrimp. I hope you guys enjoy my seafood boil in a bag. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.